Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a bagel and butter pudding, which is basically bread and butter pudding, but I've got given a load of bagels that need to be used up by tomorrow. So yes, and let's start by having a cup of tea. Let's begin. For this recipe you shall need either 6 normal bagels, or because these are thin, I'm going to go with 9. Butter, 3 eggs, apparently 200 millilitres of double cream, but I'm going to use the entire lot. 65 grams of sultana, but I'm going to use mixed fruit because that's what I've got. Milk, sugar, ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg, and a pre-lubricated bowl to put it all in. That's just for cleaning, so I'll take that away. Don't put that in it. That's not good for you. Right, let's continue. Preheat the correct oven to gas mark 4. I have no idea why I need to show you that, but fire! And it's kind of cleaner in here as well. Gas mark 4 is... it's... God damn, it's under this board. Ugh. Get out of the way. Gas mark 4 is 180 Celsius. Right, we now need to butter the bagels. Butter these and then cut them up. I'll be back in a second. Spread, you bastard. Right, so this is only a few things in here. So I've scattered some of the should be sultanas, but it's a bit of a mix. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to mix now to get this bit together. I suppose I'm just going to do it in layers. So it's time to crack the egg. Well, that went well. Okay, 1 egg. Oh, for God's sake. You know, I'm gonna fish out the eggshells from this, and I'll be right back. Right then, I'm going to put the custardy type thing in here, so I might as well just mix in other bits whilst I do the eggs. So I need 50 grams of sugar. I need 59 grams of... it's fine. So let's add... a teaspoon of that. And teaspoon of... oh, okay, maybe more than a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, but never mind. Now give this a mix. Chuck into there. So that looks well mixed. Let's create more washing up. Put all that in there, I suppose. Do this perhaps. Yes, one-handed saves the day, so we need 200 millilitres. $207. Oh, no, never mind. Let's try and get some more that off to the side. Put that into here. And it's, it's a bit thick. Yeah, I want to get that out really. Right, be right back. Right, and we are back. So let's give that a bit of a whisk together. Ah, I've got butter on my fingers. Okay, so I'm going to, yeah, I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed. I'm going to add some of this to that. Just to cover it, like this, and pretending I didn't spill some on the floor. There's something unexpected. I was lazy, so I just tipped all of this in, and these damn well float. So yes, don't try and cheat that bit and do what I've done. Right, now this is as packed in as I could get it. I actually only used 8 of these thin things, and you may notice the top bagels are well, I've got a cinnamon and raisin thing just to stick it on the top. But this just needs some. Well, it says demerara sugar, but I've got some brown sugar left over, so let's quickly some of that on top. So it wants 2 spoons worth. And this is where I'm going to realise this is softened pumpkin. Completely the wrong thing to use. But yeah, sue me if you don't like it. Or I'll just make myself look like a fool because this isn't going to work. Pretend I used the correct sugar. I'm going to be a rebel. I'm going to use more than what the recipe says. Well, I've used more bits than it says anyway, so screw it. So, assuming this will have a nice golden top to that. I don't know if I want to push this in again, try and soak. Slightly worried with this top bit, not enough access to the liquid below. And I suppose I could also put some stuff on. Some people will use zest of an orange or a lime on top, which I suppose will work quite well. Waffling on, let's shove this in the oven. In the oven you go. Right, now this needs to go in for approximately, well, 30 minutes, or 4 cups of tea. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. I might swap it around just to make sure it's all evenly cooked. But yes, I shall return to the bit. Okay, so we are halfway through, and yes, I think the top isn't really getting enough liquid. Well, let's see in another 15 minutes. So then, this has just come out of the oven. Is crispy. It looks like it's soaked in quite a bit. And okay, so underneath that does appear to be, that does feel like bread and butter pudding type of consistency. So I was expecting to get 4 portions out of this, but I think that's far too large for 1 portion. Right, let's give this a go. My big spoon is not big enough. So there you go, the lovely insides. Still quite liquidy. Yes, that's quite a big portion. So let's give this a taste. Get on the spoon. See, this is why I don't do this. I can't think of it. Let's get a crunchy bit. Yeah, that's not really sweet. Top is nice and crusty. I can definitely recommend that, that's lovely. Right, and that's it for this week.